So most of the parts have landed apart from the PTO selector lever seal. So that's my fuel pipe I'm going to make up. These are some spare fuel tap seal kit. This is the pipe for there. This is the pipe that goes into the carburetor. There's the seat rubber, and I have two of these bushings, one to go on each side and a new pin to go through the front axle. And that is lovely and snug, really snug, so I'm going to be happy now that that's going to be solid. There's not even, I'd say, half a toe of play in that. So that is good. And my head gasket, most importantly, is in here. So I'm looking forward, oh, and I have an oil filter as well to go in. So I'm looking forward to cracking on now and getting a few of these bits fitted so I can start putting this back together. It's been a month now, so I'm going to give all the gasket surfaces on the head and on the block one last quick clean and a blowout and hoovering out and the bores and all that to make sure everything's clean. And let's get cracking on. So I'm just after matching up this seat rubber. It came with nuts and bolts, but they were metric, and this is threaded under here, so I'm reusing the original slotted flathead screw bolts, or bolts, whatever you want to call them. So I thought it was strange that this came with these, because this is a different thread, so you'd actually have to drill it and put that in, and I don't think there's any need for that when you can reuse the standard bolt. So that's another small little job done anyway. This is the Bepco cylinder head gasket set. I do like going with Bepco as far as quality goes. I think they're probably the best, engine kits included. So I am going to unpack that now and take out the cylinder head gasket. So that is the head gasket sitting in place. I just gave the bores just a hoover out, and I ran a clean paintbrush in around there just with the hoover, just to get any loose bits of dust or anything out. Finally, starting to look like an engine again. Cylinder head gasket fitted, cylinder head sitting on it. Not yet fitted, but sitting pretty anyway. So I'm just torquing this down. I believe it's 65 foot-pounds is the torque that's needed, so I'm just bringing it up now to, I tried it at 50 already, so now I'm going to 55, so I'm going to slowly make my way in 5s up.